everyone. I'm called Emerensian Kafu and I'm here to persuade you on endangered species. Endangered species are species of plants and animals that are seriously at risk of extinction. According to Plan 3013, the US government spent roughly 1.7 billion US dollars to conserve this species under the Endangered Species Act of 2012, published by the US Fish and Wildlife Services. The question one might ask is, should there be a stricter laws to protect endangered species? The answer will be yes, as the government spend this huge sum of money to conserve them because of their importance to us. However, we're going to talk about the importance of this species to humans. Let's take for instance their medicinal values. According to Reginald 2015, the drug digitalist derived from the plant, the purple foxglove. This is the plant right here. This plant is used to produce the drug digitalist, which is used to treat illnesses like fluid retention, congestive heart failure, tuberculosis, epilepsy, just to name a few. And also he said that the viper's venom, this is a viper right here, and we all know this is a deadly animal. The viper's venom is used to regulate blood pressure. Therefore, it means these species, they are very important to our health. Let's take for instance, if this species of plant and animal goes into extinction, what becomes of our health? What will come? Millions of people will die if we don't have them, so we have to preserve them. Let's take another example. Let's take another importance in the field of entertainment. We all know that plants like animals like mountain gorilla. This is this right here. This is mountain gorilla. Amok leopard. This is it right here. They all serve as entertainment. When we go to the zoo, we pay money to see these animals. That is why Marshall in 2015, he said, if we love something and we are prepared to pay for that thing, it means it has a value. So we have to preserve it. Take for example, tourists go to the safari during holidays to see these animals. They pay for it to see it because they are very important to us. We cannot be talking about the importance of endangered species without talking about their agricultural values to our agricultural industries. Research has found that honeybees and insects keeps down the cost of pollination and brings healthy and good food to our plates. Nicholas in the Canales University of 2010, he found out that rough insects and honeybee pollinated nearly 30 billion worth of crop in the US, like apple, almond, cherry, broccoli, carrot, and onion. All these species, they are very important. That's why we have to preserve them. We have to take good care of it. We don't need to destroy it nor kill them. However, due to the importance of this species, the government then came up with some prohibiting actions in order for us to reserve this species. Let's take the first action that the government came with. That's the Lucia Act of 1900, which prohibits the interstate commerce of plants and animals. We are not supposed to kill plants. We are not supposed to destroy plants or kill them. Therefore, the government then came up with this act in order to stop all those that are trading of this particular list of species that we're supposed to reserve them. The government also came up with another act called the Endangered Species Act of 1973, which was introduced by President Nixon. He said we have to preserve these animals, we have to conserve them, we have to make use of them in order for them to survive. We don't need to destroy them, especially the old ones. We need to preserve the old ones in order for the young ones to survive. The government then realized that if putting these prohibiting factors or prohibiting action, some people still violated it. For them, for those that violated it, they are being fined for that. And some of the fine ranges from 50,000 US dollars. Another penalty is you can go in prison. In prison term is like 1 to 2 years imprisonment. Imagine yourself going to prison because you kill an animal, you kill a plant. You have to think, because they are very important, or that is why we have to preserve them. We have to take good care of them. Also, talking about your license, the government will revoke your license. If you kill this list of species of plant and animals that we are supposed to reserve them, if you kill them, the government is going to revoke your license for you not to do import or export plants and animals being killed. However, I'll conclude by saying that we should stand firm. We should help the government. We should take side with the government to preserve these animals, these plants, because they are both important to us and to the government. If we don't do that, what will become of our life? They serve as medicinal values to our health. They serve as entertainment to us, and also as it makes our agricultural industries to boom. Thank you very much.